guys, it's just about lunchtime right now. Our camp is all set up. We got the rooftop tent above us. We got the awning set up. Because it was raining this morning, we cleaned everything up now. And now we're going to cook some steak inside the Gozney oven. Yeah, that's right. We're cooking steak, not pizza, inside the Gozney. We got the cast iron skillet here. We got some broccoli to go with the steak. And we even got some baby bliss potatoes as well. Got some seasoning. And then, of course, some oil for the pan. Let's jump right into it. And chop up some potatoes. It's going up. So what we're going to do is saute all the vegetables first. So I'm just going to spray the pan a little bit. And what we're gonna do is throw in our vegetables. We got our broccoli and potatoes. Season those up too a little bit. So it's all coated in the oil. And then once they're coated enough, we're gonna throw down some seasonings. We got some Italian. And then we're gonna put that right in the Gozney. I looked at a 12-inch pan. This happens to me all the time. The bottom is 12 inches. The bottom would fit. The top does not. We can cook on the half of it. So obviously that pan was too big for the Gozney, so we'll just keep that for dinner time when we make our pizzas. For now, we're gonna do a campfire grill. So throw this on here. Flat. That should get it nice and toasty. Just took it off the flames. Still sizzling. Alright, moment of truth, you guys watching? Let me grab a fork. Here we go. Nice. I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, a lot of people normally eat their steak this way anyways. Hey, you guys, we're in the middle of nowhere right now with some dough and the Gozney Tread. It's our first time using it in the middle of nowhere. If you look around behind us, there's absolutely nothing here besides us. Just a few utensils we got here. We got some peels, we got a cutter, we got a tray. We're using 2 different sauces. We're gonna do an Alfredo sauce and a regular red sauce as well. So hopefully these all turn out well. We're gonna jump right into it, and we're gonna start by warming up our Gozney. Now that we're letting the Gozney heat up, what we're going to do is start working on the pizzas. Sarah's working on one, and I'm working on the other. I'm doing the Alfredo, she's doing the red sauce. Let's jump right into it. Got my beautiful wife here with me. She's making smaller pizzas like the personal size red sauce. I think if I sit down, we're going to be the same height, so that'll be a lot better for the editing. So we're going to do that. Sarah's going to use the red sauce. We're going to use some Italian seasoning. I'm using garlic and onion, and then a little bit of salt as well. What we're gonna do is we forgot, well, when I say we, I mean me. I forgot to do some flour to bring, so that way it wouldn't stick to the table. So we're using oil. Don't really recommend it, but it's all we have. So
we'll see if it works.
Let's jump into it. A little oil on the hands. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Did you put it on the table?
Yeah, I put it on my side. Very nice. The Gozney Tread is just about 600 degrees. We'll probably stop it right around 700. That'll be a pretty good temperature.
A little ASMR with my nails.
This pizza will just slide off. See, that's the issue.
Mm.
I'm not sure what else to do. I mean, I put oil on it, hoping it would slide. Beautiful. before you guys get in the comments, I know we shouldn't have bought cheese already grated, but sometimes you just gotta do what you get. And we're in the middle of camping. Beautiful. Okay, we'll figure it out. We're gonna cook these pizzas one way or another. This is really our fault, well, my fault, that I didn't bring flour. Lovely. Alright, that's everything for my pizza. Just about 600 it's at. So it's just a little bit longer till it gets past that green mark to 700. Look at that. You see it?
Yeah, I got a shot less.
Oh, thanks, dude. Alright, we just reached 700 degrees. So we're gonna put the pizza in. Again, I can't slide it. Look at that, it doesn't come off the tray. So what I'm gonna do is put it inside the oven with the peel on. Blocking it so it doesn't burn it too much right now. Oh, look at it sizzle. Alright, let's see if I can take it out. Okay. Still can't come off the peel just yet. Let's see if I can rotate it. Okay, hold on.
There you go, baby.
Hopefully that didn't mess up the pizza too much. Okay, there we go. That works. That's how it should be. There we go. So right now what I'm doing is rotating the pizza on the inside. Again, I couldn't do this before because it was stuck to the peel. Alright, my pizza is done. Ooh. A little toasty, but that's how it should be. Got our pizza. 1, 2, 3. And we'll leave some large slices. Beautiful. That is a stunning pizza. Wife's little pizza. Look at this little guy. Here we go. Round 2. Oh, it does not want to come off either, which is fine. What we'll do is we'll cook it really quick. And then I don't see why I couldn't just push it off as soon as the dough gets a little more cooked on the bottom. So, very nice. For being such a pain to cook, it came out pretty good. Mm-hmm.
And a lot better than the first time you tried it too.
Mm-hmm.
With flour.
Yeah. It's hot cocoa night. I love you so much. Everything's pretty much packed up. All we have to do now is just grab the bikes, put them on the hitch, and that's pretty much it. Close the trunk. Gotta pack this up, but we'll wait till the morning till the rocks cool down. We'll have some nice hot cocoa one more night here. Are you excited?
Hold me down and watch the water rise. Pull me out and bring me back into this life. 'Cause I'm ready for a forest fire. Forest fire. I'm needing a forest fire. Forest fire. Mountain lines in the distant view. Clouds of smoke and all the sky has turned from blue.
Alright, it is now. Ooh, I'm a little too loud in the forest. Alright, it is now. Oh my gosh. Alright, it is now lunchtime. I'm not even that
We
loud.
should have brought the mic.
All right. I don't talk quietly. It keeps echoing. Okay.
Do you want me to stand? All right, you guys. So today, Michael's gonna make us some steak for dinner. Here, just pretend like you're talking.